Well, it is official, guys. My YouTube career is officially over because I just got my cheeks clapped real hard. So about a month ago, I did a video on this lady right here called Pole Dancing to Millionaire Day Trader, about humbled trader. She's a day trading scammer, or at least that's what I called her in the video. If you don't know, I'm not a big fan of day traders on this channel. The whole point of day trading, these channels, the whole point is to get you to sign up for their courses. This is her course right here. Costs, $1,500 a year, and that's where the real money is, right? Convincing suckers to pay them $1,500 for them to teach you how to day trade, right? And what they do is convince people that they're going to teach them how that they can make 60, 100K a year day trading, and you can leave your job, right? The job that you hate, I'm going to teach you how to day trade, take my course, pay me $1,500. You can leave all that behind. You can sit in your room, day trade for a couple hours, and make 100K. It's as simple as that, guys. Super easy. Now, I've gone over all the facts before. I've gone over the details. The majority of people, you can make a little money here and there day trading. I'm not saying no one ever makes money, but you can't make a full-time income. I've shown the statistics. It's like less than 1% of people can actually do this full-time. So basically, these people know they're scamming you. They know once they get your $1,500, you're not going to make a ton of money, but they already got the $1,500, so they don't really care. So I made this video about her a month ago, and one of the major issues I had with her, there's many things, but one of the major things I said is that she never shows live trading on her channel. She has a channel of hundreds and hundreds of videos. She's been talking about day trading for years, and not one video on the entire channel does she ever do a live trade live on the channel. Now, I actually said in that video, I'm going to leave a comment, and I said other people should do the same, asking to see live trading, because she deletes those comments, and that's what happened. She deleted my comment asking to see her live trade. Now, what's really interesting is apparently she actually did a live trading on her channel, so we'll take a look at it. I don't know if it's true or not, but one of her fans, actually commented on my video and left a very mean comment to me, so let's go ahead and read what they said. So it says, "Oops, her latest video is of her trading live. Maybe you should try researching your targets a bit more thoroughly before disparaging them publicly with a bunch of falsehoods and sophistry. In fact, you may want to consider a proactive apology. Defamation is an ugly business, and the day trader non-pole dancer you besmirched makes a lot more money than you do, I would guess." So as you can see, that person is clearly upset. Maybe it's an alt account of her, but that person is clearly upset that I besmirched her and said she was a scammer. So this is the video that she apparently posted, live trading, 15,000 profits in reality. So apparently she actually did a live trading in this video. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I don't actually think it's what she says it is. Let's take a look.
One of the most highly requested video from my audience, you guys, remains to be live trading.
Okay, so what's really interesting, she puts up all these comments of people saying, "Can we see you day trade live?" The thing is, she actually deletes these comments. Like I said, she deleted my comment. She probably deleted most of these comments as well, but she took a picture of them like, "Oh, look, I see the comments." She deletes comments. Like, if you go ask to see live day trading, your comment won't be there a week later.
I've mentioned this in the past before. I'm not really a fan of live streaming trading on YouTube. Same as copy trading or buying and selling alerts. These are something I'm strongly against, and for many reasons that only the more experienced traders will understand.
So there you go, guys. She's explaining that only the more serious traders would understand why she doesn't do live trading on the channel. So basically, if you don't understand that, you're not a serious day trader. You just don't get it. You're not at her level. You don't understand what she's going through.
While I do not do live stream trading, I'm fine recording my trading screen. That's what we're doing in this video. We'll be going over some live trading on large cap and small cap stocks, on the long side and the short side, with some real profits and real losses.
Okay, so if you didn't catch that, basically what she just said is she recorded this earlier. So she day traded sometime in the past. She recorded her screen, and now she's playing it back to you. This is not live trading. So this person that left a comment, you are 100% incorrect. She does no live trading in this video whatsoever. This is the same thing that Mo from Everything Money did, the video I talked about a month ago, right? He's like, we're doing day trading live, but it's recorded, so it's not actually live. So don't leave a hateful comment. We already know it's not really live, right? That whole big thing that blew up in their face, this lady is literally doing the same thing. Guys, live trading, that's the name of the title of the video, live trading. But it's not live trading. It's a recorded video, and she's just going over what she actually did that day. These are events that already happened, right? She already knows what's going to happen on her screen because it already took place, and she can already guarantee that she makes profit because she recorded it, right? So she can obviously cut out anything that she doesn't make money on and just show you her actual wins. This is so stupid. Now, if you don't know, I called out another guy by the name of Warrior Trading, not them. Warrior Trading right here, right? Now, Warrior Trading was actually sued, I think, $3 million for being dishonest about how easy it is to day trade. He has a course as well. This is his course, like $3,000 for his course. And he got sued for $3 million because he was being dishonest, saying how easy it is to make money day trading. Now, one thing I will actually give this guy credit for, again, I think he's a scammer, but one thing I will give him credit is he actually live trades in his videos. That's one thing he actually does. And like I said, you can make money from time to time. I'm not saying you can't make any money day trading. You're just not going to make a full-time income doing this, right? But he actually does do some live trading that you can watch on his channel. So let's go ahead and take a look at that.
Might be the peak, and I think we might be on the backside of the move now. For what it's worth, we do have news on it, which is good. But
okay, so that's basically him live trading on the channel, so I have to give him credit for that. He actually does do some live trading. This lady does not. This entire video where she's like, guys, I'm live trading in this video. It's nothing but her actually, playing what happened on the screen. This is recorded information that happened days before, and she's like, this is what I did, and this was my entry point, and this is where I left. There is literally nothing live in this video. This video is a complete scam. So this lady has yet to ever show one live trading session on her channel of 900,000 subscribers. I think she has like hundreds and hundreds of videos on her channel, and she's never once done live trading. Not one time. This guy can do it, or this guy right here. Like, I think he's a scammer, but at least he does some live trading on his channel. Why can't this lady do the same thing? Like, what's wrong with you that you can't do one session? And I know she gave her reason, like, oh, I don't want to trade because people will copy me and stuff. Just do it one time, lady, to prove all the haters wrong. That's all you got to do, just one time. So there you go. That's my issue with Humbled Trader and her fans calling me out because she's live trading when she's not actually live trading. Like I said, this lady's a massive scammer. Now, one thing I want to mention at the end of this video, I didn't really want to make a whole video about it, but Chris Sane, my good old boy Chris Sane, right, the big stock guru, he has actually turned off comments on his newest videos. So that's a good thing. We're definitely getting through to these grifters. Exposing them. You can see comments are turned off. They've been turned off for the past week on all of his videos. So he knows. He's feeling the heat. He knows that people are turning their back on him. I don't think this guy's going to be around for much longer on YouTube. His views have massively declined over the past few months. People are realizing this guy is a massive scammer. This guy, Warrior Trading, Humbled Trader, they're all the same, and they all got courses they want to sell you. Chris Sane, you can call him for stock advice, and it charges like $200, some crap like that. And he's not a financial advisor, so you could legally go to jail for that. But it is what it is. There you go. Leave your comments below. What do you think about Humbled Trainer clapping my cheeks with her live, non-live video? I'd love to know what you think.